The New South Wales mining industry has an enviable safety record. We are recognised around the world as being leaders in safety. However, in the last 6 months that there has been a significant number of extremely dangerous incidents which in all consideration could have led to fatalities. So the type of incidents we're discussing involve a range of factors, including interaction of people with mobile plant, fires in underground mines, and also failure of ground support in underground mines that have led to some potentially very dangerous incidents.
The industry can't keep going the way we are without having a fatality.
There's been a couple of very serious high potential underground events within our own company that we've definitely got to take heed of. And it's very important that we try and preempt these risks and manage them. But the best way to learn from events is for the industry to work together. The regulator, operators, employee representation, our unions, and work together to find out improvements. We've got to have compliance, and we don't have compliance, we can't have a safe system. We've got to make sure we have a safe work environment, safe equipment, safe systems, adequate supervision, correct instruction, so people can go and do their tasks without being injured. That's our role, and we've got to accept that role at all levels. From the working face all the way up to the boardroom, we've all got to do our bit.
We want the message to get out to industry, have a look at the big picture and see what's going on. We're asking them to pay more attention to what's going on, because what happens at the mine next door can be directly relevant to the mine that you're working at. In all cases, when we have reviewed these incidents at any level, anyone that has looked at them has considered that the maximum reasonable consequence of these incidents was a fatality or potentially multiple fatalities. All these incidents demonstrate that it only takes a momentary loss of control for something to go horribly wrong.
People do have the ability to stop if they're not sure about something. We put a lot of emphasis on procedures, policies, and that maybe people are becoming too reliant on. People do have the ability, even if that procedure tells them to do something, they can stop.
There isn't any job that's worth taking a risk for, and everyone's got to accept that. I don't have a problem with that, and I'll continue to enforce that.
We don't want people getting killed or seriously injured on work sites. It's a reputational risk, and they don't want that. It's not just the reputational, it's seeing their own people hurt, families suffer from sustaining serious injury or worse.
So whilst company reputation is something to be considered, the driving factor is we want all of our people to go home safe at the end of the shift.
We just want people to go home safe.